Hello everyone, how are we all? Me and Nat are off out today. Well, out. We are out. We're going to a garden centre. We're not buying anything because the garden centre's well expensive. We're just going to have a mooch and Nat might get some ideas for her channel. And then we're going into the town. We're going to Tamworth, by the way. Then we're going into the town. We've got a couple of things to do. So I thought we'd take you with us. The garden centre's called Planters. It's a really good garden centre, but it is. You're paying for what you get, you know, if you get what I mean. So, let's go to garden centre, guys. Here we are, guys. Planters Garden Centre, Tamworth. I'll just sit here. That's just on the toilet. Oh, that's nice and comfortable. It's very comfortable. Oh, under the heat as well. Lovely.
But they're expensive.
Yeah.
That's expensive.
Expensive.
Oh. Fake, aren't they? Fake? Yeah, they are nice. Oh, that's nice. I've seen them a bit cheaper than that though.
That's good.
That's nice, isn't it?
Welcome.
Oh, they're tweeting at us. Oh, you can push it down.
Good on it.
Nice and warm underneath there. Nice price as well. Look at them.
In the boxes though, do they?
No. That's nice. Is that the fire one?
Yeah.
Don't know what it is, it's just lights, they attract me. It's just if you had lights.
Show me your equipment, Bab. There she is, look. So she's hands-free. Auditor. Auditor Nat.
They look nice to start off with till they get rusty.
Yeah, but you're paying for the better quality, yeah.
That's quite nice. Right, let's get away from the lights then. Which way do you want to go?
Want to go that way?
Quite pretty actually. Purple one. Pretty as well, look. Yeah. Bar. Buddhas. Where's the Buddhas? Buddhas.
Here's all your stuff. That's cheap. And then look, £15.
Yeah, no, not bad. If you can see that one up there, that big head. Yeah, that's nice size. I love Buddhas. As you all know. Oh, they're pretty.
Send me eyes funny, they would.
Yeah, they are a bit thingy, aren't they? They're pretty though. More Buddhas. See them. Oh, that's a nice one there. Yeah, they do monkey's face, yeah. Yeah. And then you have to wait for the flower to come out to make it look like one. Yeah. That pagoda's nice as well.
I've got a lot of time flank down and see. That's good, that isn't it?
I'd be here every other week then. That's pretty. These are all the house plants, aren't they? Yeah. Oh, bonsais. Oh, that's a nice one. I know this one. It's a nice one, that is. Yeah. Not a bad price. What's that one? 17. That's not bad. Not a bad price. I don't know how much these are. Yeah. All the proper stuff. Yeah. They're nice, that are. Beg your pardon, what did you say? Oh, that's a nice pot. That's a nice pot, that is. Look at that pot. That's a nice big pot. I know, yeah, but I'm just saying it's a nice big pot, that is. They're nice, ain't they?
That's for you.
Bloody hell, look at that one. That's what I said, you know the one outside ours?
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to do. Yeah, because that's all it is. Yeah. Because you've got the big thick trunk, you need the thick trunk in. That's a nice one. That's a lovely one.
I know they're expensive, but they are.
Oh, that's gorgeous, that is. Some gorgeous ones here. Don't ask me why I'm mad about bonsais, I just love them. That's not bad for that, 40 quid. Yeah, that's not bad at all. That's a bit of a bigger one. Oh, sorry. Put my hands in front of you then. On that one outside, would have a shape like that. You can make them out of anything, really. You can even make them out of rhododendrons.
It burns away in the back garden.
Oh, that's lovely. Seen that? There. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Whoever made that's clever. Whoever made that's proper clever. Blooming hell. That's a nice plant. I've not seen one of them before. Them ones. A ferny plant, isn't it? Yeah. They make a good bonsai, that would. Right, where should we go? Should we go down this way? I've got one of them growing in the back garden. You can't see, can you? I've got one of these growing in the back garden. And I've got one of these in the growing as well, bay tree. That's not bad, £24. That's not bad at all. Then have a look how much their terracotta pots are. That's not bad, £1.59 for little pots, or 99p. That's not bad at all. You've seen these? £30. It's not bad. It's not that heavy. Yeah, fruit trees, blueberries, goji berries, spriz, gooseberry, bamboo. Bamboo plant. Very nice. Tall, isn't they?
The boy screws in here, bab. Where's the room?
Yeah, but I didn't think there would be up and down the aisles, but there's loads. Oh, that's nice. It's just a tap. Tap, you can put water in it, and that's pretty. I love stuff like this. Don't know why. Look at that. Oh, look at these big pots down here. That's a big one. Coming now. That's clever, isn't it? I board the tree up like that. That is worth a few £100. Doesn't say, and I dread to imagine the price of it. They just walk straight down, I think. Palm trees, pots. They're nice pots. Roses, £18. They're just starting to grow. Oh, bonsai trees. Mine died, didn't it? The one from Aldi. £20. That's not bad, you know. For what I had from Aldi, but mine got wrecked. £20. That's not bad. Oh, these are the other ones here. Yeah, they're all 19. They're all £20. What was I say? I'd go wait for Aldi to come back round when they've got some in, get another one. The squirrels at my dug down and at the roots. Climbing ones, climbing roses. Love these roses bushes. Oh god, that's a bit expensive now. Some boxes. Oh, what's this one? £87. Oh, like a pink flamingo. Yeah, flamingo tree. All these lovely pots. Wood. Look at all these. Oh, little doggy. Oh. Never mind the dog, beware of the owner. We should get that for you.
What's that?
Never mind the dog, beware of the owner. We should get that for you.
That a lot more face then, does it?
Yeah.
Grumpy.
Yeah. Yeah. Grumpy git.
Grumpy git.
Grumpy git. Oh, that's cute. Not that I've got a French bulldog, but I mean now that's heavy. I can't even lift it. Clever, aren't they? The rabbits are cute. Oh, look at that fountain. I love that sort of stuff. This big fountain here. It's sold, but look at this one. That one. Huge. Lions. That's nice. A large square bird bath. Big lion there, that's cute. £89, £90 for the lion. Gosh, that lady there. That costs a fortune. £640. Lion Hardy. They're nice pots. Nice pots, yeah. I just claps my eyes on them. Like this one. That one's £40. Little ones. Borders. That's nice. 84. This one's. I like that one at the back. £74. That's not bad, you know. That's nice, that is. £75. Not bad. You don't know what that one is, but I can't see that one. That's a really nice one. And pots are nice as well. £200. Pagodas. 150. £115 for that big one. That's not bad, you know. Big and solid. I love Chinese ornaments for gardens. That's nice as well. That's £200 that one is. Marble. Marble one, isn't it? No, fiberglass. This little one here, look at that one. Whoops. £64, that's not bad. It's really nice. £94, that's not bad neither. That's really good. Oh, that's a nice one. I like this one. £280. That's a nice one though. Water fountain one. Water probably comes out of that bit there. Oh, what's up here? Look, shiny things. Oh, that's nice. 150, 199. That's a nice little hut, isn't it? A nice little bench. Should we try it out? Are you allowed to sit on it? Sit on it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's only 2 minutes. They're pretty, aren't they? The ones with the bees on. Oh, look at them trees, they're gorgeous. And then they're nice. There's something different. I don't know why, but I just love rocks and slabs and stones. I've got a fascination with them. Don't know why, don't ask me. I'm just weird. Oh, they'd be pretty with a pump and put a hole in them for a fountain. They'd be well pretty. Haha. I like them owl pots. Them owl pots there. Let me move you a little bit because just remember you can only see what's in front of me. So I have to keep remembering that. Oh look, that's nice. That's nice what they've done. With the slabs and the rock. That's well nice. £136.99. 7 slabs creates a small patio. Oh, that's nice, that does. Could looks so nice till the cats get over it and the foxes dig it all up and wee on it. I like them ball things. Put a hole in it with a pump. It look nice. I don't know why I've come up with this bit. Rockery. Imagine your Mediterranean garden. I just have a Buddha garden and a pagoda garden. Just have Buddhas everywhere and pagodias everywhere. That'd be my garden. Oh, look, rabbits. Oh, look at the little bunnies. Oh, look at the little bunny. Oh, so cute. Look, little bunnies. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, what's in this one? Little guinea pigs. I'm so scared of them though. Scared of bunnies and gerbils. It's their teeth. Oh, look at them all asleep in the little bed. There, over there. Oh, the kids look at like this, but I wouldn't touch one. Scared to get bit. Oh, can we have one? He's in his little basket. Look, hold him. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, cute. Have one, please. Can I have a bunny? Oh my god, look at that snake. Oh, look at that snake, man. Oh, there's them spiders in there. Spiders. Golden red tarantula. Oh, supposed to be a tarantula in there. Oh, nasty. A blonde Halloween hissing cockroach. Oh, why would you want a hissing cockroach? Why would you buy one? Oh, yeah, but there's a tarantula in that tub. You're making me itchy. Sorry, no one is home right now. Oh, look at that one. Bearded dragon, isn't it?
200 years, that.
Would they grow? Are they baby? That's where the baby is. So they would perhaps have a type or a pygmy.
Pygmy one maybe, yeah.
Brazilian rainbow boa. Where is he? Can't see him. He's hibernating. Oh, why would you have a snake? Snake. Supposed to be a tarantula in that one. I'm scared of these as well because of their beak. Don't like them. They're nice to look at. This grow massive, does it? These ones grow massive? No. And these ones here. Oh, they're both cute. Oh, finches. Canaries. We had canary. Never again. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, look. Oh, bless them. They're proper cute. Especially these are bright. Oh, they're well cute, them pair. Oh, they're proper cute. They've still got the fish. Oh, it's hot in here. Oh, look at these fishes. I'm only going to give you a quick look because it's really warm in here. And I've got to watch my step as well. Loads of fishes, look. Loads. These little ones here. Oh, God, it's warm in here. Just going to give you a quick little look round because I also need to sit down now. Getting a bit tired. Oh, look at that big fat one there. Look at his head. I don't know, what's that one? A flower horn? Gosh, he's huge. He's looking straight at me as well. Oh, look at them ones. They're cute. Oh, no, angel. Silver scat. Oh, look at the terrapin. Oh, look at these ones. Oh, that's well cute. Look at that one. Oh, we're going to get out of here now.
Yes.
Breakfast in bed.
Yes. Let's get one of them because they're not going to be working.
No, because you're going to get crumbs in the bed. I hate crumbs in the bed. I hate crumbs in the bed. Oh, we're nearly at the end now, babe. Microwave steamer. It's all jams and stuff. I can't show you anymore. I'm wearing out of steam. Oh, what's this one? Christmas pudding flavour curd. Oh, no thank you. What's this one? Elderberry or something. I'm not picking anything up. I'll drop it.